Okay. All right.
Hi,
So
everyone.
this is day one. I know. Good to see you here. Day one SEO workshop. Anup, I think everybody knows you. They're all fans of you. So no introduction is required. they love your trainings and your knowledge. And I got a message I think from Rakesh. I don't know whether he's here today, but he said, Rishi, I'm so grateful to have learned so much information from you guys. So he's not there right now. He might join the call later. But anyway, go for it. All yours. Let me just put you on speaker view here.
Yep.
Yep.
Good evening, guys. Hi. Today we're going to learn what SEO is. I mean to say we have divided this webinar into 3 different classes in 3 different days. The first day we'll be learning about on-page SEO. I'm audible, clear? You see? Right. Okay. So the day one, we are going to learn what on-page SEO is. I'll be working on a live project, and we'll work upon keyword analysis, technicalities of a landing page, and how to implement the changes, and how to understand. To understand the algorithm of search engine and to implement them. So we'll have to do it on page from point 1 to point 100. Right? Almost there are more than 100 factors that comprise of on-page factors. Right? So on-page, off-page, the entire SEO algorithm is consist of around more than 350 factors. So I won't be able to complete all those, but I'll give you the hints, I'll give you the case studies, I'll give you the notes, but that can help you out to study and understand the algorithm, complex algorithm of search engines for Google algorithms. So day one, we're going to do on the on page from A to Z. Day two, we'll be working upon backlink strategy. We'll create backlinks for the website. We'll understand how to do work on the off-page activities. And day three will be about Search Console. We'll learn how we can add our website on Search Console and understand the strategy, and we can analyze the results that we have been doing for the past n number of days or years. Search Console, yeah, please.
Yeah, go for it, Anup.
Right. Day one is clear. We are going to work on the on page. Day two, we are going to work on the off page. We'll work on the very basic to very advanced level of backlink generation. Right. And day three, we'll be learning upon how to add your website on Search Console and how to analyze the effort we have put in. See, point over here is we have done SEO, right? We have been doing SEO, or we are going to do SEO. But the point is, are we going the right way? We need to understand, right? Because there's no given algorithm by search engines or Google. Right? They don't promote the algorithm of search engines. It's always hidden and top secret by the search engines because they don't want you to come on the first page. They want you to pay them as a Google ads and they want to earn money. So they will never allow you to come on the first page. Yep. But the point is there are some hidden factors which some experts and some specialists who have discovered or felt that this are going to be a best factor to rank your website on the search engines based on their R&D and research work. So I also have done a number of research work. I also know almost 210 and 220 working algorithm of search engines out of 300. So I started my journey in 2006 and still I'm a blogger, a professional blogger. I gave up my job in Times Group and I started working as a freelance blogger. And one of my blog is among India's best recruitment blog in the government niche. So if you go on Sarkari niche, Sarkari blog, sarkarinokriblog.com, you'll be able to see my blog. So it has around 5 millions of search volume and traffic coming on my website, right, every month, and that's giving me around 2.5 lakh of Indian rupee per month without doing any work. So that is what I've been earning since around 2006, and it's been more than almost more than 15 or 18 years. I'm still getting the money, right? And I was in 2006. I was just in the first year of my college, and most of my colleagues or students, my friends, were struggling to get a 15,000, 18,000 rupees job, and I was getting around 2 lakh rupees by that time. 2 lakh rupees by 2005, 2006 was a big amount, right? Right. So let's start up, right? We'll understand what this content is, how to write content, how to optimize the content, how to understand the content, how to implement the content, right? So Today, the main class is about content, understanding the content of a website, what content to put in, right? So the work of a website designer is to design a website. They can create a very beautiful websites, but the content is a major part. What happens is these website designers or website developers are not content writers. They can create a website based upon a dummy template, right? They can take it either a paid or free templates or WordPress or whatever HTML or whatever Joomla or whatever or Magento, whatever template can or CMS or template they can put in, right? But the point over here is they can put in the web templates, they can put in the images, but what about the content? The content will be the copied content. They will take a dummy content from another website of your competitor and then put it on your website. Now, what happens is when your website is live, Google will understand this website is having, this is new website, and this website is having a duplicate content. Day one, you're going to be penalized. Gone, finished. Your journey to SEO is finished because Google found that your website have a copy content on day one. This is a major issue what happens with the new websites, and the website is completely destroyed. Just to make sure, just to overcome this problem, ask your website designer when they are into designing mode or they are just creating a website, ask them to no index the website the day one. What happens is, what is no index? No index is a algorithm or a command given to search engines. They ask robots not to come on the website or not to do any activities or not to crawl the pages of the search console. I mean the pages of the website. So this is a precaution I'm giving you. Most of you will suffer with this. So there's no way you can overcome it because once you're penalized, you are already gone. So it's very difficult for you to rank it. So this is the tip I will give you in the beginning. So let's understand. What I'm going to do today is I'll be working upon Natasha's website, and it will be live. I have not logged in yet, right? Although I just logged in, I've never seen the website from the CMS backend. So I'll take Natasha on call and I'll ask her objectives. And based on her objectives, I'm going to do a keyword research, a complete complex way of keyword research or competitor research. And I'll create some content based upon those keywords. And I'll give you the idea how a best content can be written, right? A content writing is an art in SEO. If you have an awesome content, then it's going to work like a charm for you. Even if you don't have a good amount of backlinks, you're going to rank high in the search engines, right? So let's start and let's bring Natasha on call and let's understand her SEO objectives, and we'll move ahead. So I'm not going to optimize all the pages of Natasha's website. I'll be selecting only one page of our website and I'll be optimizing that only. Now, based upon this activity which I'm going to do today, right, the same strategy you have to follow for rest of your pages, right? So this is how we'll be moving ahead.
Correct. Anup, quick question. Now, Natasha can be either on audio or we can make her a panelist and she can have video and audio as well.
She can come on audio. She can come on audio or video, whatever she wants, right? I just want to listen to her, right? What objective is.
Fair. Okay. So Natasha, I basically turned on your option to talk to us. You can. Oh, you've already unmuted your mic. Great.
So
can you say something?
Let me share the website of Natasha first to the audiences and Natasha herself.
I'm listening to Anup. I'm getting stressed.
Why?
I see he'll say what a rubbish website.
Why are you?
No. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Don't worry about
that.
I'm getting stressed. I genius, and then he'll see my website. Oh my god.
Take some anti-stress tablets or do meditation.
I already did put the Purnima meditation for 2 days.
All right. So this is her website. This is the home page, right? And look good. She's into training.
In fact, I want to tell Natasha something here at this point. So Natasha, the thing is, what Anup is going to do is the two ways in which people look at websites is, one is human beings look at websites, and then search engines look at websites. When a human being looks at a website, they want it to look good, okay, and look nice and structured. But for a backend search engine software like Google and Bing and all of the others, they want a particular structure, and what they consider beautiful is not what we consider human beings consider beautiful.
Totally
and that is what Anup is going to do. So we'll show you what that means and what you need to get done right. So even if it looks like an ugly website, if Google likes it, it doesn't matter. It will score very high.
Exactly. It doesn't matter if your website is very beautiful or bad. See, the look and design of the website doesn't matter with the SEO. So what you need to know is the structure is perfect, right? So this is the website,
you should actually see Sarkari Naukri. You should actually see SarkariNaukriBlog.com. It is nowhere close to good looking, but it makes him 2.5 lakhs a month.
The Sarkari website meant to be not look good, right? Have you ever seen a Sarkari website?
Correct.
All right. So this is the website of and Natasha, please tell us what is the objective of this website? What are your product and services?
Yeah, for me is I want to tell people about my work, what all different energy healing modalities I do, like meditation, sound healing, crystal healing, angel cards, access body, basically variety of things, so that if people like any of my work, they can call me.
Right?
Yeah.
All right. Now, I see a service you are providing that is about angel card reading.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Can you tell something more about it? Because I'm more interested in optimizing this page today.
Angel cards is basically if people have life challenges or problems, or they are confused in life. So then it's like we have angel cards decks, like how you have cards now, the patta, but that patta is for ash. This is more to do with energy healing. Like if people are confused, they want clarity in life. Suppose career is not working, or relationships are not happening, or they are feeling depressed. It is something to do with past life issues. So when I do angel cards, I go to the higher source and I ask them, and I give them answers through the cards.
Perfect. So how do you consult people? Do you consult online or offline?
Now only online. Only online now. But earlier I used to do offline. But now after COVID, I don't meet anyone really.
So you want me to optimize it for online or offline?
Oh, okay. That's another way.
Yep. See, the point over here is, if you want to optimize it for online, your audience is global, right? Or either entire India or global, right? There's no limit to it.
No.
Right? 7.5 billion people can be your customers, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Right?
Got it.
So now the point over here is, if you're optimizing for offline, those people from Tokyo, London, Russia, they will not come to you.
Okay.
Right? The people only around 5 kilometer radius of you will be interested in your tarot card reading services. They will only be able to do a footfall.
Okay, got it.
So this is a difference, psychological difference.
Yeah, so I better do online only.
Online, right? Okay, so we'll work upon online. So what we have to do is, the difference is, if you're looking for a offline keyword research, you have to search for keywords of people around your area. So where are you located in Mumbai?
No, I want to do online.
I understand, but let people understand what offline marketing is. So there are some people over here who would be interested more into offline, right? So where are you located?
In Bombay, where?
Where are you located in Mumbai?
In Pedder Road.
All right.
Pedder Road.
Yeah.
P-E-D-D-E-R, Pedder Road.
Pedder Road. All right. So what happens is, when people are interested into tarot card reading, they'll be searching for a tarot card reader around them, right? A Pedder Road, near Pedder Road. So let's have a look on this. P-E-D-D.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pedder Road.
Right.
Yeah.
Now have a look.
It's now still not yet come.
1, 2, and 3.
Now it's come.
Right. Can you see this? One,
Yeah,
two,
yeah.
and three.
Feathers in flight. Yeah.
Right, Feather in Flight, Tarot Card Reader, and Kirti Khanna. These three people are getting most of your businesses locally.
But I'm not a tarot card. I'm an angel card.
Okay, you're into Angel Card. But the page was about Tarot Card.
This page is tarot.
Angel Card.
So your page is, Natasha, your page is tarot or angel card?
Angel.
All right. But in services, you have mentioned Angel Card.
Huh.
Okay, Angel Card. Right, got it. All right. So let's see. See, there are no one here who have created the map for local listing near you. So there is very less competition, or there's only Just Dial, which is easy to be eliminated. There's Sulekha, and there is no professional person over here. I see India Mart, I see Magic Breaks, right? I see Facebook. So I don't see any professional person over here who is interested into angel card reading, and they're providing the services. So if you create your local business, how you can do that? That's a local SEO that can be done via Google My Business. Right? Come over here, create a Google map for yourself, and when it's created, optimize it, and your website will come on the first page when someone search for this particular keyword in your area. Right? So this is the one of the way how you can get footfall via your offline digital marketing. So this is what I wanted to say, but I want to move to online marketing right now.
I already
Right.
have Google business page.
You have, but you're not visible
Yeah.
anywhere.
Oh, see, then I'm not Anup, nah.
Okay. So
All right.
so what is your, so if
On day
I
three,
type Natasha,
on day three,
How
I'll
much?
optimize. I mean to say, on day three, I'm going to optimize your Google Map also. So I'll teach people how to work on Google Map also. So don't worry. I'll bring your map on the first page on the day three itself.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. All right. So let's start with this concept. Let's understand what these things are. So the keyword is.
Anup, just
Yep.
a quick question.
Yep.
I just did a Google search myself.
Yep.
When I type Natasha Advani Pedder Road, then I can see Natasha Advani's Google Map page has come.
But who know Natasha Advani Pedder Road?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, I know.
Only Natasha will be searching, and her students will be searching, right? The keyword should be
Right.
angel card reader
Okay, got
in
it.
Pedder Road.
Okay.
Right.
Right. If I
Okay,
search for
got it.
digital marketing expert in Chembur, what do you think? Who will be there?
Ah, now
Rishi will be
Rishi
available, right?
has to be, yeah.
All right. So let's understand the keyword now. Let's understand this page. This page is about angel card reading. All right. And we need to see how this page look about angel card. All right. The image, a content, a poor content, the images again, and very poor content. So this
Yeah, I
page
know.
is very poorly optimized. So let's work upon this and let's
Okay.
create content for this, and let's optimize this page for the best ranking in your area or whatever online. Right now, the point over here is I see on the URL something else. Right, the course is about angel card reading, but the URL is something else. So we'll have to optimize everything. We'll be talking upon all the factors now, and let's start because we don't have too much of time. So let's start with this. Let's finish it in 1 hour, and let's understand this concept. Right. So guys, first thing you need to do is a keyword research. Before the keyword research, let's do a plan. Let's understand what are the drawbacks. Let's do a SEO audit.
SEO?
SEO audit can be done in two ways, the front end and the back end. So I'm working on the front end. Let's go to the back end. Let's go to the, I need to check the website load speed also. The website GT Matrix is one of the best. So these are tools that will help you to audit before you start with your SEO activities. We need to analyze first and then implement.
Okay.
I see.
So I'm using different tools to come to a conclusion. Right. Not to worry, Natasha. If you are failed, right? You got F. Right.
It's okay.
See, the point is, I'm going to make it A, right? I'll bring it to A to B. Don't worry.
Okay.
So we need to understand what is wrong. So something is wrong. That's the reason why we are working on this, right? So this is a way we understand that it's F, and this website load speed is one of the major factor that hamper your ranking. So we need to work upon the website load speed also. Now, this is a back-end process. Now let's come to the front-end things. Let's understand the front-end. Because you don't have any content on the page, it's A, right? You have very few content.
Whoa. So it's good or bad?
It's good only for you, but not good for the optimizing part. You need to have a content.
Oh. Okay.
Now this will degrade. Now let's see. It says 87, but this real is, if I'm talking about 87, no, it's not good. It's not good because your page is not optimized for SEO. Can you see this here? Issue to fix.
Yes.
You have a number of issues to be fixed, and the page is not targeted to the keyword we are planning for. See, if you can see over here, there is no angel card reading here.
No,
so we need to put in the keywords and everything.
Oh, okay. I was getting confused. I thought you have to put this in all pages.
You have see, a particular service is about a particular service, right? So the particular service has to be optimized for a particular keyword. So if it is about angel card reading, you have to optimize it for angel card reading keywords theme only.
Okay.
Now these are the tools through which you can optimize, or sorry, you can analyze your web page performances, but the situation is not good. So we need to work upon the situation and we'll improve it. So these are the factors. If you can see, there are factors. Some of the factors which I said need to implement upon this. So let's go back. Now, let's see who are your competitors. Now, can you see this? This is your major keyword, angel card reading and free angel card tarot trading. What is an angel card reading and why this is a blog? Get your free. Why are people promoting for free? I see free here. I see free here. I see free here. I see free here. Why are they doing it for free? Why are they using the free word? Are you also planning to use free?
Yeah, because that's a way of hooking the audience.
Right. It's a call to action.
Yes.
Right.
Like they might say one reading free, but more than one question we'll charge. You know.
All right. All right. That's fine. So we should also plan for free because most of the competitors are using this keyword free.
Okay. Okay.
Right. Okay. So one of the best way to study your competitor for the keywords is reading the first page.
Okay.
Right. You need to read what is the title and the description they are using. You need to read the words they are using. So for example, you see free angel tarot card reading, and this website is already on the top. So I want to take this keyword as a one, right? Primary keyword. So I'll select around 10 keywords. I'll take a notepad and I select all the keywords that are available. So this is a free way I'm teaching you the keyword research. There are paid ways also, right? So you can use the tools also, but I'll go with the tools part also. But those people who cannot afford the tools, they can work upon this part also. So
But Anup, can I ask a question out here?
Yes.
Now, you are sitting in Assam right now and typing this. So is it that if I type this in Bombay, I'll get the same horoscope.com as #1 page?
Yes, see, it's google.com. It's nothing to do with any other location.
Acha.
So I'm finding some keywords. All these pages are poorly optimized. They're optimized for only one keyword.
So she'll be able to beat the competition?
Yes.
Easily, right?
Yes.
Yay.
Now the other keyword is best angel reading.
Oh.
Wow.
I'll do the keyword in both the ways. I'll finish with the free one first, and I'll move to the paid one. Now the point over here is that Anup, if this websites are poorly optimized, so why are we following them? Why are you following their strategy? So we will also be counting the poor strategies, right?
Why?
So this process which I'm teaching you is a free one, right? And you need to understand if your competitors are working hard or they're not working on the SEO part. The point over here is if they are, how to understand if they are poorly optimized. You can see, you can have a look. The keywords are not put in, right? The major keywords are not put. The title and the description are not rich with the keywords. There are unwanted words over here. Can you see this here? This is a keyword. Now, again, have a look. Yeah. These are all unwanted words. This has got nothing to do with optimizing. Now, again, now have a look. These words will never be asked by the end user. They will not never search for this. Have a look. These are poorly optimized.
I guess when you do it and you optimize it, we'll get a better understanding of what you're saying.
Now have a look over here, guys. Now here, this guy. Yeah. This guy is not even using this angel card reading in the title, either in the URL, either in the description. There's no word over here. Still they are ranking. And this proves exactly. This proves that there is no competition. Right? I'm using the US. I'm using the US version. This is the problem. Let me come to the India version.
Oh, we never used the India version, yeah?
Okay, this is other keyword, but still this keyword is also very low. This is not very optimized. If you can see Pinterest on the second position, this means you are very easy to go. So it will be very easy for you to rank if this unwanted websites, unprofessional websites are here.
So I think, Natasha, the basic trick is that you go for something that the competitions have no idea what they're doing. Okay. And then you get inquiries. And once you get inquiries, then you convert them and sell any of your other services.
That's what I'm going to do.
Now, the point over here is, I hope you understand how to do the free keyword research, but these websites are poorly optimized for the keywords. I hardly can find any keyword here. So what I'm doing is I'm moving to the paid version, and that is called Href, right? A recommended tool for all the SEO guys. It's only cost 250 rupees per month. I mentioned about it in my last Q&A session, where Lokesh is doing good with his blog. Now, this is a tool where you can do a keyword research, a competitor research, and content research. So let me go to the Keyword Explorer. And let me find a keyword. Let's see if this keyword have any completion. Now this guy without any reviews at the top, and this guy without any reviews in top. This means there's very less competition if you want to rank yourself on a Google map. So it's very easy for you to rank, right? So you can get very good footfall, and you can convert this offline traffic into online traffic. So again, all these pages are poorly optimized. I hardly see any keyword rather than only one keyword, right? So this is a keyword only. And let me go to over here and search for this, and let me go to India. If you can see, difficulty is not very high. It's only 30 out of 100. And it says the traffic is 1.2 thousand. So 1,200 people are searching for this keyword, around this keyword.
Every month.
Around that, right? Every month, right? So it's very high. It's good. And this is a parent keyword, which is having 44,000 of searches. Tarot trading is 33,000, right? So I think what I feel is there are very few people who are searching in India, right? But the global traffic is very high. It's 2.3 thousand, 1.8 thousand. So will you mind if there are some foreigners who are approaching you?
No, not at all.
Right. Do you want to earn money in dollar, right?
Obviously.
So we are going to do it global, right? We are planning it for global. So around 7 to 8 billion people on earth are all your competitors, right? They can be your competitors. So we are planning to optimize the keyword on a global basis, for which you can give consultants to people online, right? So I'm not focusing on India, right? I'm not focusing on Mumbai. I'm focusing on global keywords. So if you can have a look here. So if I click on ascending and descending, I toggle it, I'll be able to see all the keywords.
So is it possible to know what is the Mumbai search volume?
Yeah, so of course, I'll let you see. This is the India search volume. So divide India.
Which one?
This one, 60. So Mumbai search
And
volume
global is 3,300.
The global is 2,000.
Okay.
So this is a major keyword, which I saw most of the websites are already optimizing for this keyword, right? So keyword number 1, let's select the keywords. Keyword number 1, right? Keyword number 2, keyword number 3. So this is very important. If your initial keyword research is wrong, your entire SEO effort will go down. It will be wasted. Let's note down all the keywords. Is this related to you?
Yeah, she is one of the biggest in US, Doran Virtue.
So she is someone who is a reader, right? But
yeah, she's the one who created.
So can we use this word on a website?
No,
I don't think.
No, we can't.
Yeah, she'll be worried. enough for now, right?
Okay.
Okay. So these are the 7 keywords. These are 7 keywords for which I'll be targeting on a global platform. Right, we'll try to get this traffic. And now the point here is,
Anup, tell me when I can ask questions, okay?
you can ask questions. It's not a problem.
We got a question from Khushbu. She's asking, how will we get to know which keyword to use for our blog? Like she has another one on, I think, healthy, cushy life.
The point over here is,
right?
the point over here is our blog. What do you mean by our blog? And what do you mean? See, the point here, I'm not optimizing the entire website of Natasha. What I did is I selected a particular niche, that is what angel card reading, and I'm searching for the keywords related with angel card reading. Right. So what I'm doing is I'm collecting all the keywords of the competitor on a platform, on a notepad altogether, and I'll optimize it for title and all the description and the content, right? So the point is, how do we optimize the content for our blog? The question make no sense. You need to ask me a particular niche.
I guess, Khushbu, what Anup is saying is that basically you have chose that healthy, cushy life. It is on healthy food, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Correct.
So take a topic on healthy food.
Let's open up. Let me take her on mic. Hold on a second. Khushbu, here we go. Khushbu, better to use the mic because otherwise वो chat भर जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
So yeah.
Sir, so I'm asking like which keyword should I use for my blog post?
No, but he answered that by saying,
instead of asking this question, what keyword should I target for my blog? You should ask, what are the topics I should write on my blog?
Right.
Okay.
Like you had told us about how to do it for the dogs, breeding, and what is that? Like you have to take a topic, is that, and then you can in that you can talk about many articles.
What was the last topic you wrote on your blog?
Sir, actually, I made a subtopic in my blog. Like I'm writing on I have made subtopics like on food, yoga, and
what
diet.
was the last article you wrote?
So it is on fibers, nutrition, diet.
Nutrition,
Yeah.
right? Go on Google. Can you see this here? Right? So research on the competitor. See what they are using on the freeway, right? High fiber food you should eat. This is the major keyword, right? Fiber diet. Fiber can help you lose weight. Low calorie food. Best fiber rich food. These are the keywords. Have a look. Keywords are here, right? Now, these are the free way. If you want to work on the paid way, right? So what you have to do is come over here, go href, go to Site Explorer. Now, paste the URL, select exact, and select. You will be able to see all the keywords of this competitor and how much traffic he's getting for the particular keyword.
Okay.
Yeah, so like that you have to do for all the services, right?
All the services, yes.
Yeah, that's what. Like suppose now sound healing, so the same procedure I have to do.
Same procedure. Wow, 1.5 lakh per month.
1.5 lakhs.
Around 5,000 keywords. About
5,000.
Okay.
About fiber foods. So he's getting around 1.5 lakh traffic only from one article.
Wow.
Wow.
This is in vogue now. People want diet.
Right, and he's getting traffic from all over the world. All right, have a look. High fiber food. Volume is 1,28,000. He's ranking number 1 for this.
Sir, so my question is that from these keywords, which keyword should I prefer?
Now, it's very difficult to outrank him because he's number 1 and he's the best optimized. and maybe he's doing one of the best work. So if you can see, he's ranking for around 5,000 keywords, and this KD, this is called keyword difficulty. It's very difficult to beat this. The Natasha's keyword which we took was about 33, right? Which is almost medium. We can already rank on that, right? But this is very difficult to rank on this, right? So what you have to do is come over here, make a filter from 1 to 25, right? So we'll filter all those 5,000 keyword, all those keyword which are between 1 to 25 of difficulty will be here. Now, can you see? This is having a volume of 1900 and the KD is only 16.
So high fiber meals is the keyword she's ranking on.
High fiber meals. Select all the top 10 keywords which are having a good volume and less KD.
Right.
Just because it's ranking on those 5,000 keyword doesn't mean you'll select everyone, right? Fibrous, wow. Fibrous food. Can you see? This is having a volume of 7,700 and the KD is only 13, which will be ranked in just 1.5 months. So this is what you have to do. You have to copy the URL of your competitor for the keyword they're ranking for. Come over here, read their reports, do a research, right? Filter the keywords and select the keywords which can be ranked for.
Khushbu, is this clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, great. And you can again watch this recording when you're doing it later, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you see high fiber meals? 2,000. Right? C fibers. Wow. It's a new keyword, C fiber. The volume is 1,200 and the keyword difficulty is only 3. So
at the end of the day, Khushbu wants traffic. So she should do this and slowly start getting traffic. And
exactly.
When she gets traffic, the ads will, then she'll be able to apply for AdSense account.
Exactly, yes. So Khushbu, you should select all those top 10 keywords from here and you make a list like this, right? Make a list like this. Now, when your list is done, we have to move ahead. So do we move ahead from here?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, so one last question.
Yep.
So should I include the those keywords in my blog post?
Yes, of course. So I have to include them, right? So this is the reason why I made the list.
Okay, huh.
Wait and watch. Wait and watch. I'm working on this. Right. So what you have to do is you have to create a title for this. A title should not be more than 65 characters. Right. So the point over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 characters. And even a space is a character. Right. So if I talk about the characters, this will be not more than, I think this will surpass the 65 characters. But what about the other parts over here? We have to keep everything in the title, right? All the words have to be in the title. So what I do is I create a hybrid title. It's very easy, understand? The primary keyword has to be in the beginning. I use pipe as a separator, a space. Make sure you use a space before the pipe and after the pipe.
Okay.
So angel card reading is already done, so we don't have to repeat this. So what I do is I use free. I put it here. I use best. Okay.
Tarot
Am I missing
need
anything? Yep.
Tarot? No, I don't do tarot. I don't do tarot.
No, but it is, you don't do tarot.
I didn't use tarot.
No, I thought you were supposed to, because in the second last option that was there. It was there in the competitors listing.
Can you see? Am I missing any word over here?
No, you got it all. You duplicated them.
Natasha, am I missing any word here?
No, you're not, Anup.
Sure. Right. So this is how you create a title, hybrid title.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's check the character count. The process I'm doing for Natasha has to be done for all the blocks. The same process.
Right.
The keyword will be different. Right? Now,
Each,
can you see this?
for each page.
For each pages, different pages, a page has to be optimized for different keyword, a theme. Can you see? It's in 62 characters, right? Now, okay, this is fine. Now I have to create a description within 160 characters. Now, why am I doing this? I'll tell you. Because we have to implement this somewhere in the blog, right? But let's learn how to create this, how to write titles and descriptions, how to optimize the title, how to optimize the content for the keyword, right?
Okay.
So, can you spell your name? Nata.
SHA
Okay.
ADVANI.
I didn't get it.
ADVANI.
Okay.
ADVANI.
And what's your experience?
20 years.
Whatever she says, you have to double it.
Yeah.
So,
40. That means I started at 1. Rishi.
how long have you been doing this?
See, I did it as a hobby. So I've been doing it since 20 years when I was working in a bank, events. I've done a lot of jobs. So I used to do it as a hobby. Then
20 is good.
20 is
I
counted
think
in
no.
experience, so
20.
don't worry. Your internship is counted in experiences.
It is, no? Okay, good.
And how many clients have you consulted in 20 years?
Around 200.
To make it
But now
1,000
you
plus.
say make it
5,000.
5,000. Like last time when we did the queue. Oh God. In sales you have to do all this, na Rishi?
Natasha, जो दिखता है वो
I'm not
दिखता
saying
है.
That's true actually. Yeah.
See, you guys come under that certain concept, no, where time is not linear. This is a matter of time when 10,000 plus clients are going to happen. So
Once you start ranking in the
future,
top,
past, and present is the same for you.
I will visualize, or as it is, you know what? I'm getting an offer also for international.
So good.
Yeah.
I'm just going to be back in like 30 seconds. I'm going to get a bottle of water.
right? Now, this is the description of the web page. This is a description of a web page. We need to put it so that the robots can understand what this page is about. So this cannot be more than 165 characters. So let me go and check.
So like this, I have to say for all my services.
All the pages, yes.
Like this, clients, the same thing I can say, right?
Yes. Now it's 169, but I'll have to trim it.
Oh, it has to be exact 160, huh?
Less than 165.
Achha, less. Okay.
So I'm into 160 now, right? So Am I clear, everyone here? Am I clear with this? So we need to create a description of your page with respect to the keyword you're targeting. So these are the keywords which I targeted, and I created a title of the page and a description of a page themed with the keyword, right? So one of the best way to check the spelling, make sure there's no spelling mistake here. One of the best way to check the spelling mistake is search it in Google and see. Can you see this? This was a spelling mistake.
That. Even I was thinking.
Exactly. Now the spelling is proper. So you don't have to learn English for this.
What's the character limit of the description again? 160, is it? Less than 160?
Yes.
Less than 165, but keep it in 162 max. Now, am I done with this?
Yes.
Right, but I'm done with the title, I'm done with the content, done with the description, but I'm not done with the content. The content is very poor, right? So what I do is I select all these keywords and I use another tool that is called Article Forge.
Same like the YouTube one, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is one of the best magical tool I have ever seen.
So for that emotional wellness, I can put that on Article Forge also, no?
Yes. But this is not recommended, right? So if you can write your content yourself, that is the best part.
Okay.
But this is not recommended.
What you can do, yeah, what you can do is you can get Article Forge to write it for you, and then you can change it.
I'll make my change.
But just make sure you, yeah.
Now
So it's a quick tool to help you.
Put in all your keywords and select your major keyword, primary keyword over here, and make it 750 words. And create the article. Right. Meanwhile, you can ask me any questions. It will take time.
Yes. Okay, guys. Those of you that want to ask questions, please raise your hand or start typing it in the Q&A or chat. Maybe. Okay. Lokesh is saying, I used it 1 month, but I cannot get quality content.
Exactly.
Lokesh's question.
See, whatever you can write, that AI cannot write, right? So it's only recommended when you are not able to write. So
yeah, I think it's good to let it create it.
Yeah,
right?
just for a start,
and then
it's
you
okay.
modify. Yeah, it at least gives you the beef.
Yeah.
Then you modify it the way you want.
You modify it as per you. Yeah.
Ashmita,
you cannot
Ashmita,
be 100%
used
dependent. You cannot be 100% dependent on this tool, right? He's right. The tool is writing a content. You have to just copy and paste it, right? You have to put in effort. See, I'm going to put in effort. I'll put in effort. I'll teach you how to optimize this content. So by this time, are we confirm? Are we aware of what I'm doing? Keyword is search, the title, the description, now the content. So if anyone have any questions, please ask in the chat.
Yeah, okay. So there is a question from Anuya. What is the importance of numbers in the title? How does it affect my ranking? Rank Path gives a negative point if I don't have a number in the title.
No.
What is that about?
There's no negative word over here, but it's a good call to action. See, if you can see, I have used the numbers here. Can you see this here? I have used a number. I use 20 plus. I use 10,000 plus. Why? Because this act like a magnet. This pull your clients towards, right? See, I'm searching for best angel card reader, right? So there are more than 10 or more than 100 searches, right? If you go on second page, third page, and fourth page, but if you come on the first page itself, you'll find 10 competitors, right? So to outrank them, even you on the third position, you're not on the first position, you're in the third position, the person will see what the content of the top 3, top 5 people are. So he'll not be able to go on the website, but before going on the website, he have to see the title and description. So these are the two things which will be seen as a title and description. Come over here. Can you see?
No, I think
this is
he's
the
saying
title
that
which I
you
created, right?
Yeah.
And this is the description. So this
Yeah.
has to have this has to be very attractive with the call to actions kind of things. So yes, number
Correct.
is
So,
important.
Okay.
so she's saying rank math gives a negative point if you use a number in the title. You use the numbers in the description. So
Oh.
she is asking rank math when she tries to put it in the title, it's giving her a negative point.
Yes.
Is
Even
rank math?
Guys, even I have
Sorry.
not used. If you can have a look, even I have not used number in the title. The reason why, see, there is limited 65 characters over here. If I'm using these numbers, I'm missing out my important keywords. Are you getting it?
Yes. So Anuya, I think basically the negative point, although it is giving in your case, let me open up your mic here.
There is no negativity in a SEO way, right? There's no negativity, but if you use in title, you'll miss some words, which is very important for you.
Correct. So let us understand from Anuya why she felt the need to use a number in her title. You are also doing recipes, right, Anuya?
Yes, I'm doing recipes, and when I have a title, say for example, superfood turmeric, and
Yes.
but I don't want to, I said ki superfood turmeric and some of its benefits, aisa mila ke I made a title, and
Okay.
so my title is approved.
You can use the title as top 10 benefits of using turmeric.
Acha, okay.
Right? You can use this, right?
Acha, okay.
Ah.
Like if there is some title where I cannot use, like you have not used, so
No.
negative point doesn't matter.
No, there's no negativity in terms of negativity or positive in terms of SEO. It has nothing to do. But if I put the numbers, I'll miss out the important keywords that has to be put in the title, because the title is very limited to 65 characters.
Exactly. Yes.
So I'm more focusing on the ROI rather than the display.
Okay.
The display can go in the description part. I never use numbers in the title. I always do it in the meta description.
Okay. Yeah.
So Anuya, so basically Anup is right and rank math is wrong.
Point over here is, guys, you need to understand who or what is a rank math. A rank math is a software which is done by an organization to make money, right? The point is, rank math has no idea what the Google algorithm is. Even I have no idea.
Okay.
Right? So even Sundar Pichai have no idea what the algorithm of search engine is, because there are 10,000s of engineers working, and they are working on a different piece of codes, and they have been allotted a different piece of code to each other, right? And when the codes are assembled, the algorithm works. So even the people who are designing the algorithm of the search engine have no idea how search engine is working, because they know only their part, what they have coded for.
Okay. I'm basically using rank math because it makes it easier. If I have left out something, then it will give me a hint ki you have not done this.
Rank math is good, but all-in-one SEO is awesome.
All-in-one SEO. Okay.
Yeah. So this is what I'm going to work upon today.
Rank math I used because you only had suggested it to me.
No. See, suggestion is when you are a fresher, and implementation is when you are expert.
Okay.
Right. So never work on suggestion.
Okay.
Always be in the attacking mode than the defensive.
Yes.
Okay.
All
right. Now let's come to the part.
Yeah.
Anuya, stay tuned. This is May 2021. In June 2021, it will change again.
It's going to change. My words will change.
Yes.
We did SEO webinar last year, 2020, right? And the content was different.
Yes.
Now the strategy and content is again different. Now let's come back. So guys, have a look. This is the content, right? And I'll have to optimize this content as per the keywords which I have selected. The first and the important thing is, right? I have to copy this. when you are optimizing a content, always optimize in Google Doc. It's very easy for you. Number one, spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, this will improve, right? Number two, it's very easy to assemble it here. Don't do your on-page activity directly on WordPress or the CMS. Never use free in just before your name. This will hamper your branding.
Never use what?
Never use free.
Okay, never use. Okay.
Never use free close to your brand name. Because experts or best people who in the industry never give the services for free.
A lot of people put free, huh?
You should not put. You should put best.
Okay.
Now, have a look. I've used my keyword, but never copy the same title and paste it over here. Okay. This is a H2, or you can call H1. Now, I'll take the second keyword, come over here after 2 paragraphs.
Okay, so after one paragraph.
Perfect. If you can have a look. Now, we'll have to see if you are using Angel in the content or not. How many times are you using the Angel, right? So what I do is I use the card reading, copy this, Control F, Control V, and I see 6 times, right? Angel, Angel. Okay, Tarot has to go. NATA,
SHA.
right? Now look at this paragraph. This paragraph don't have the word Angel card reading. So make sure all the paragraphs have your keywords. But I don't think this content is relevant to you. Natasha, I'll send this to you in the doc file, right? You have to make changes into it.
Okay, I'll work on it.
And send me tomorrow.
Okay.
Just share it with me. I'll share it with her.
Yeah. So we got 2 here again. I got.
So every paragraph you're saying should have it, right?
Yes, every paragraph should have. Right. So it's perfectly done. So So all the paragraphs have the keywords. Right, so you can see all the paragraphs.
Okay.
And whatever you made in bold will be H2 basically.
S2, yes.
I see. Title is H1.
Title is H1. This is H1. Right?
Okay.
So let's start with this. So we have title, and this is not title, this is H1. We have title, we have meta description, we have the H1, we have the content, we have the H2. This is the part of the web page. Clear? Now let's
Right.
start with this.
Yeah.
Let me go to the website. And this is the angel card reading page. Let me go to this page. And the page was about angel card reading. This one, right? So I click on edit. It's 78. Make sure we get around 85.
This I use that SEO optimization.
Yes.
All-in-one SEO.
Yeah,
All in
all
one
in
SEO.
one.
This is what I'm recommending people. Now we have title, right? So this is what by default title you're using. So let me remove this by default titles and let me put in my title. This one. This has to go here. Someone was asking me how to put title and meta description in static page, right? I'll come to that part. Oh, it works. Is in DB. Good. And this description, this is by default. So we have to put our optimized description, which consists of the keywords to be targeted. Make sure no space is there. You can see 163 and 62. Perfectly done. Now I update this.
But it's
Now
best.
this title of the, shouldn't the title of the main, this thing also change?
Yeah, we'll change this, but this is here. Which you're talking about is here.
And the URL also has to change.
This one. This one.
Ah, this one.
And the URL also has to change. Right. So let me come to the front end. Let me. Okay. Now, can you see this here? The keywords.
Yes.
You can see the keywords here. Right. And if I do
Yeah.
Control U, I'll be able to see the meta description also. So these two are done. Okay. Now I'll have to change the URL of the page because this is not related with our keyword. So we'll have to see what our keyword is. Our keyword is angel card reading, not readings, readings, right? Angel card reading. Now you have two options. Either go with the free angel card reading or either go with angel card reading. So free is okay, fine, you can rank very easily, but this is a tough keyword. So let's target on angel card reading. And let's come over here. Why I'm getting this again and again? I'm not.
No, you have to It's a Divi program, no? So
Yes.
you opened a new page or?
No, I'll be working on this. I'll come over there, of course.
No. Upar hai. It's loading. This one. Actually, if you type, or if you remove this title on top here, on top, above permalink, and then you change it, and then no. I think the URL will automatically pick up from the title. So change the title and then. Acha.
Okay,
Okay. You want to, okay. Oh, I see. The URL is different from the title.
Exactly, the URL is different.
The title is from the Word document. Okay.
Copy this. Just can you ask anyone in the group? किसी को bounce तो नहीं हो रहा?
No, that's why we're recording now. If it bounces to watch it again. So we have tech support anyway. Just say, okay, I think we'll dash apne aap aayega. There are some questions. Can we open up the?
Yes, please.
Open it up for questions.
Yep.
Okay, so first you go, Lokesh, you go for it. Allowed to talk, and then Anuya, you can also go after that. Lokesh, you want to go first?
Hi Anup, hi Rishi.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, my question is that like my keywords, I have 3-4 keywords like can dogs eat mango? Can dogs have mango? And is mango good for dogs? Is mango bad for dogs? How can I manage in one title in 65 characters?
No, see, if you're writing article, if mango is good for dogs, can dogs eat mango? The page has only to be concerned with mangoes and dogs,
Okay.
right? You cannot put other keywords over there. If it is about dogs, mangoes, the page will only have content about dogs and mangoes, not even guava.
Okay.
The way what I did is we have n number of others services, right? But in this page is only talking about Natasha with Angel card ready. There is no other keyword over here, no other thing. Am I done?
Lokesh, is that clear, Lokesh?
No, actually, all keywords are related to mango. Okay, like is mango is bad for dogs? Is mango good for dogs? They are related keywords to each other. So I want to put a title.
Want to put title? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go back. I've already done this. Right?
Yes.
Do a research on what your competitors are writing. Copy it. Paste it. Right? Now this has to come in your H2. Can mangoes kill dog? What fruits are bad for dogs? How can raw mango be given to dogs? How much mango can a dog eat? So this has to come in H2. And then copy this. Khatam.
Actually,
It's
I
a
use
copy paste.
and FAQ schema. Hello.
Can dogs eat Alfonso mango? No, even mango have n number of varieties.
Okay. Green mango.
Green mango, raw mangoes.
Wow. This is
Now have a look. What is the serving limit of a mango?
Okay.
How many slices can we serve to the dog? So there are a number of keywords over here. Can you see?
Right.
Okay.
Now have a look. इसने तो पूरा गाइड ही बना दिया. Mango guide to dogs.
Okay.
Now he's writing what to give to the dog before feeding it with the mango.
What to consider before eating?
Yeah. Appetizers. Now
Check out whether the dog has diabetes or no.
Yes. Okay, guys.
Okay, she's yeah.
Have a look.
Okay.
Have a look.
Yeah.
Let's summarize. Right. So let's move in. What I did, I did a keyword research. I hope keyword research is easy for you to understand, right? Either you do it a free way, either you do it a paid way, right? A free way look better to me. Now you can see so much of keywords here, and you can put in this. Can you see this? People also ask for, right? So you can use this in H tools, right? And you can write answer for this. Now, when your keyword research is done, you finalize all those
Anup, I
keywords.
have a question here.
Yep.
Anup, I have a question here. You say, Rishi, I like freeway, which is go and Google and see what does the search is.
I love the freeway,
Correct?
yes.
But in Ahrefs volume दिखता है ना and keyword difficulty
Exactly.
दिखता है ना.
Exactly.
तो वो मेरे ख्याल से I think the correct way to do it is through Ahrefs.
Of course, that is the complete way, right? But there are people who
That's
even
the
don't want to
complete.
spend 250 rupees. What can I do for that?
No. 250. Yeah. Lokesh is going to make so much money. We are all going to this house to make party. Yeah. So, I mean,
His
at
keywords
the
are
end of the
already
day, his
ranking on
website is.
Lokesh.
Actually,
So,
I use only Ahrefs, and this question I am using in FAQ schema.
Yes. Now,
so I think the correct way is still to do it Ahrefs, because if you really want to become a topper, then you better have the full अंदर का पूरा जानकारी होना चाहिए. Just Google search से मेरे हिसाब से is not
yes.
the full way.
You
It's
have to learn
free
from
as
A to
but
Z. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, you have to.
Now,
understand.
Lokesh,
Yeah.
have a look. Have a look. Are you using this feature?
Yes.
Are you using this feature?
Yes, I am using this feature.
Okay, perfect.
fantastic.
It will pull out all the keywords that is ranking into people also ask for, right? So this will filter out it. Okay, let's come back.
Guys, I'd like to just conclude one point and tell everybody, this is my view, of course. I think Ahrefs is mandatory if you want to get into serious optimization. 250 rupees a month is a no-brainer. The actual cost of Ahrefs is $99 a month.
Yeah,
I
even
mean,
Starbucks coffee is more expensive.
So SEO tool Adda is giving us group buy $250 a month. You want to do it? Learn to use the Ahrefs tools. Ask questions in the WhatsApp group. Comment your questions, and in the live Q&A that Anup does, get it sorted. Whichever thing, if you cannot understand Ahrefs, doesn't mean you should not use it. Or just because it costs 250 rupees doesn't mean you should not use it. I think you still should use it because you need to get good at the tool. That's my take, my view, my 2 bits that I want to give. Okay, we have a few more questions. One is from Geeta and one is from Anuya. Anuya, you want to go first? Anuya, are you there?
No, I think Anup has said he'll come to my question, so then I'll ask him.
Meta description, no? Static homepage, kya tha wo?
He had said no that he'll come to that how to add the meta.
I'll come to that part.
Yeah. So
Achha, okay, sorry. Okay, just one more question for Geeta. She's saying Blogger is different. What is this Blogger thing?
I used Blogger to create my website because I got lost in WordPress. So
Okay.
let's know what the plugin, the SEO plugin for that would be.
Blogger don't give you much flexibility about SEO, right? So you don't have so much a plugin you can use, right? So it's cost free of cost. I'll recommend you to come on WordPress. As WordPress is very easy, drag and drop. I think DC is giving a free webinar for website designing on WordPress.
Yeah,
Yes.
you should check that out.
So I think, try that out. It's a free website training program on the same WebDude school itself. And there I talk about WordPress and stuff like that. Blogger.com.
Email ID?
Yeah, NATA.
NATA.
SHA.
Yes.
At the rate. Natasha, sorry. Natasha, Life Coach 1.
Yes.
At the rate gmail.com.
So I'm sharing this with you.
Okay, thanks.
Added this and we'll implement it tomorrow. So let's summarize it. Point number 1, I did a keyword resource. I think it's very easy for you to understand, right? Either you do it free way, either you do paid way, right? So you can do a research on your competitor, what they are ranking for, and We can pull out the keywords which are easy to rank with the search volumes and everything. So after it's done, select all the keywords in a notepad like this, create a title, right? Title is very important. This should not be more than 65 characters. Create a meta description, which consists of all your targeted keywords, should not be more than 160 characters, right? 165 is allowed, but keep it in 60 characters and keep it in 160 characters. That's more than enough. Now, when this is done, your URL should be your targeting keyword, your primary keyword. This was the previous URL. Can you see this? Yeah, yes, I changed it. This has nothing to do with Angel card reading. So what I did is I renamed it. Now the keyword in URL, keyword in title, keyword in meta description, keyword in H1, keyword in content, and keyword in H2. So this is what the factors you have to consider. That's it. Okay. Now keyword in H1, keyword in H2, and sprinkle the keywords all over the content. Okay. And make it look natural, readable, right? Okay. And the content is uploaded. It's very difficult for me to upload it now. I think Rishi can help her to upload it, the content.
Yeah, sure.
Right? Sure. Because DB is, I'm not friendly with DB. I'm more into Elementor.
Yeah. Right? This is not DB actually. I don't know. Did you redo it in DB or you're still on Sydney, Natasha?
No, DB.
Achha, you switched. Okay.
Right. Use bigger images, right? Use a list bigger images, right? Use feature images. So this is very small, right? Okay. And then you start with. Tomorrow the page is going to look good, and make sure you copy the content which I have sent you on the Google Drive and implement it all over here with the H1 and H2s, right? Okay. And use better images. And when this page is optimized with the on page, I'm going to start with the off page tomorrow. Now, let's move further. There was some question. Someone asked how to optimize a static page, right? So to optimize a static page, you need to have this plugin, all-in-one SEO.
I installed it.
Yes, you already have.
But okay, so tell me, instead of Intuitive Energy Alchemist, I changed it to the Emotional Wellness last time you changed it.
You changed it, right?
No, I didn't change. Like my main heading still shows Intuitive Energy Alchemist. Should I change that also?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Now go to your static page. You'll have to find your static page.
Rishi?
Yeah.
This is the static page.
Achha.
Right? This is the static page, the home page. Edit this. When you go to the footer of the page, you'll still see this all-in-one SEO. This one. It doesn't matter it's a static page or dynamic page. All the pages can be optimized while all-in-one SEO. All you have to do is go to the particular page, open, edit it, and go down. When you upload it, uploaded the all-in-one SEO, right? Just go over there and implement whatever changes you want.
So page description and meta description is the same thing?
No, page title is something different. Description is definitely different, right?
No, page description and meta description is the same thing. Page description.
Oh yes, it's called page description also. Sometimes it's called meta description.
I see. Okay.
So this is done, guys. Make sure your keyword, you have keyword in your landing pages, right? So the keyword has to be very important. The targeted keyword has to be in your landing page URL. This is very important. So this is what on-page SEO is. So next time, tomorrow, I'll have a look into this. I'll have a summary on this. So the pages will be further filled up with the content, and this will look far better than what is now. And tomorrow we're going to start with the off-page activities. That's it. Any questions?
Yeah, one question from Lokesh was, is Generate Press a good theme for speed? He is using it right now.
Yes, Generate Press is good for bloggers.
Anuya, thank you. Can I use Rank Math and All-in-One together? No, you can only use Rank Math or All-in-One. I would suggest uninstall Rank Math and install All-in-One.
All-in-One SEO. All-in-One SEO is very easy to understand.
I think that's the question so far. We'll give people a few minutes. It's 10:35. Did you want to cover anything else, Anup, or this is your day one is done on page?
Day one is done almost, but I want to see if people have any confusion, they can ask me.
Yes. Okay, guys, any questions? We'll give them a few minutes to think. Okay, there is some Q&A happening here. I'm used to Rank Math. Is it good? So according to Lokesh, according to Anup, All-in-One SEO is better.
All-in-One SEO is very easy and handy.
Okay.
Don't go up on suggestions. Suggestions is only can be taken if you are new into SEO and you have no idea how SEO works. Right there, then there's a person called Rank Math who's helping you to suggest, right? So when I'm there, I'm giving you the algorithm, I'm giving you the best strategies why you need to get a suggestion from Rank Math.
Right. Should I disable posts that have not been optimized? Anuya is asking.
Yes, you can.
Okay. Sushant is asking, if we moved to another website with a different name and want to use the same content, how can we save from penalizing from Google?
See, if you're using one content on other website, so only one version is going to rank. The other version will never rank. And this is not a healthy SEO practice. So I'll ask you to avoid that.
Okay. And he's also asking same if the description on InstaMojo, etc. So InstaMojo site, maybe he's using the same description which is on his website. Which is that a good idea, bad idea?
You can use, but recommended is you can use a different version of what you have used on the major website. So different version. See, 160 characters, no big deal. You can write in 2 minutes. So give an effort.
Okay. Next one is, okay, if we disable the old website, then?
If one is gone, the other is going to win.
So that means supposing ये content website A है, ये सब copy करके B में डाला, A को बंद कर दिया, B को चालू रखा, and it's duplicated. So then
only one version is going to work, right? If one A is live and B is not live, that's mean there is only one website which is having the content. So you're going to
A का जो A website है, he will delete it.
Yeah.
Disable it. मतलब पूरा content delete कर देगा, and there'll be nothing. 404 page not found आएगा. Then he can take the same content on website B, and B will be ranked as number 1 for that content. It won't be considered duplicate, right?
Exactly, it won't be, because duplicacy is only when the other person is existing.
Correct. Okay. So ऐसा नहीं कि Google remembers that एक बार एक आदमी था और वो अभी बंद है लेकिन वो उसमें था, अभी तूने कॉपी पेस्ट करके रखा था, ऐसा नहीं.
Doesn't believe in था, they believe in है.
Okay, go for it, Anuya. You wanted to ask some question.
Yeah, regarding the same thing about disabling the posts that have not been optimized. I have some 90 posts on my website, and I have been able to optimize around 15 till date. So should I disable the remaining?
Yes, disable the remaining because you may get penalized.
Acha, okay. And then slowly as I optimize, I can.
Yes. Then let it go. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So, one more question from Lokesh. And can I stop the screen sharing? Anup, can you do?
Yes,
stop.
please.
Okay. So next question is from Lokesh. After I translate from an Italian to English, can I write the post?
Yes, you can. Just use a tool for your confirmation. The tool is called duplicchecker.com. If it says it's all correct, you can go ahead, then it's not a problem. Because the reason why the strategy which you are using, or you're going to use, there are Sale and Sawa Sale. There are other people who might have used the same strategy. They might have copied the same sentence, right? So make sure if you copy it somewhere. Yes, of course, there are many experts over here. If you feel you are expert, there are better experts than you.
Okay.
So before you implement it on your website, just use a tool called duplichecker.com that will let you know if it's copied or not. If it says it's not copied, you can move ahead.
This is a good one. Okay, so that's the questions so far. Anuya, did you want to ask more questions? Or you're done. Okay, I think she's done. Great, fabulous. This has been awesome. We are already at 10:40, 20 minutes, 10 minutes past your regular time. And that always happens. So I will make the recording available in another 1 hour or so, or less, maybe.
And the giveaways.
Huh?
The giveaways.
And giveaways, you have some giveaways for that giveaways is also on the school. I'll put it up there. I'll make it available for everybody in the school. Just one more thing I want to say before we sign off. Yeah, same link which you came for Zoom today, it will be used for tomorrow. I'll change the date from 28th May to 29th May. Same link will come. Hopefully you guys will get the invitations by email. If you don't, let me know. Oh, wait a second. We've got 2 more questions coming up here. 1 second. Does she have a question to show something, please? YouTube, please. Huh? No, Natasha, I'm not understanding the question. Hang on. Let me open your mic. What you're saying?
I don't remember. I said I just wanted to show Anup the screenshot for that YouTube thing.
YouTube thing? No, not this, because this is being recorded. You do that on the live Q&A. Yeah.
Good.
All right, guys. That's it. And we'll see you tomorrow at 9 p.m. sharp. Bye, everybody. Bye, Anuya.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Smita. See you guys. Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.